Hello class 9 children. Now as you all know, we had started unit 1 introduction to IT's industry in part B. Now today we'll be dealing with the topic BPM industry in India. BPM stands for Business Process Management. Now before that I would like to introduce you to BPO services, Business Process Outsourcing Services. Now these services means performing the business operations through an outside service provider. BPO comes under IT services, as IT, that is your information technology, plays an important role in improving the business performance. Now as I told you yesterday also, we have information technology enabled services, that was ITES. So BPO services are a type of ITES, that is information technology enabled service. Now some of the BPO services are as follows: financial and accounting services, then we have e-publishing services, taxation and insurance services, multimedia and design services, then we have document management services, software testing services, legal services, healthcare services. So all these are your BPO services. Now BPM industry in India, that is your information technology business process management industry in India. This industry has been supporting in India's growth, in the growth of GDP, that is the country's gross domestic products, and exports. The growth of IT BPM industry has provided India with a wide range of economic and social benefits, which includes creating employment for people, raising the income level, and promoting exports. This sector has attracted large investment by people. Now the IT BPM industry has almost doubled in terms of revenue and contribution to India's gross domestic product over the last decade. That means from 2008 to 2018, as the census show. Now BPO industry, your business process outsourcing service industry, is doing exceptionally well in India because it has the following advantages. Now what are the advantages of BPO services? BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best services. They follow quality checks to ensure error-free and exceptional service. Second is that Government of India is also encouraging the BPO industry in India by providing it support in terms of infrastructure. Thirdly, BPO industry in India is highly developed and it is capable of delivering numerous services in good quality. So because of these three advantages, the BPO service industry in India is doing exceptionally good. Now, the structure of information technology business process management industry, that is your IT BPM industry. Now its structure includes the following three categories. One is your MNCs, that is your multinational companies. Second is ISPs, that is Indian service providers. And third one is global in-house centers, that is GIC. Now first of all, multinational companies. They have their headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide, including those in India. And they cater to the needs of both the domestic and your global clients. For example, Google. Google is having its headquarters outside India, but various branches of this Google, which is an IT industry, are there in India at various metropolitan cities, may it be Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, etc. The next is your Indian service providers. They started with their operations in India. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India, while they have their offices in international locations. That means it is an Indian service providers, so they have their main headquarter in India, but they have offices in many international locations. They are focused on serving only the Indian clients. Then we have global in-house centers, GIC, organizations. They cater to the needs of their parent company only and do not serve external clients. So they are just used to give their services to the parent company. That means the company for which they are working, and not to the external clients. So this model, which consists of MNCs, ISPs and global in-house centers, allows the organization the option to keep your IT operations in-house, plus at the same time expanding it at global level. So children, this is about the basic business process management industry in India. You will be given the notes of this topic. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.